wakwaZulu-Natal ubuhlele umcimbi wokubungaza lolu suku ePlayhouse eThekwini njengoba bekunandisa abaculi behlukene.
As we celebrate Africa Day, KwaZulu-Natal must see itself not as the margins of the African story, but at its very center. If Africa is to rise, then provinces like ours must lead with confidence.
Lokhu kujabulise kakhulu nentsha ebithamele lo mgubho ngokufunda kabanzi ngezinye izinhlanga.
Suka eCoastal eMbumbulu campus siyajabula kakhulu ukuthi sibe ipart la yala ekhaya Africa Day, Africa Month. So kumnandi kakhulu sihlangene. We are looking forward ukuthi sibone namanye ama performers today.
Ovela ezweni laseNigeria uthi uyaqala ukubungaza lolu suku namuhla ngokubona inhlanga ezehlukene ezindawonye.
I'm feeling so excited because this is the first time I'm experiencing something like culture from different African countries. Then I want to tell African countries to come in unity and to promote love between one another.
Lolu suku lwe-Africa Day luza nje iNingizimu Afrika ibhekene nembhikisho eminingi ekhononda ngabo kufika abakuleli ngokungemthetho. I-Africa Day kubungazwa ngayo ukusungulwa kwenhlangano yobumbano lwamazwe ase-Afrika, i-OAU, mhla zingu-25 kuNhlaba ngo-1963, okwathi mhla zingu-9 kuNhlangulana i-OAU yaguqulwa yaba yi-African Union. Lolu suku kubungazwa ngalo ubumbano lwamazwe ase-Afrika, kanti ekuqaleni kwakubungazwa ngalo ukukhululeka kwamazwe ase-Afrika ayephethwe ngencindezelo amazwe asentshonalanga.